We use aluminum craft wire, a flexible metallic wire, create a loop at one end. We want to make sure that it goes all the way around our head. We'll be creating this using a craft-covered wire. This craft-covered wire comes on a big spool, so we have plenty to work with. For this project, we'll use some short pieces of foliage and any type of flower that you'd like. Today, we're using Gerber daisies. We'll use the bind wire to affix the foliage to our metallic wire. We'll start with an aspidistra leaf, and we'll start at the end that has a loop on it. We're wrapping around in one continuous motion, adding Gerber daisies and foliage. As we add a piece of foliage and add our Gerber daisy, we want to make sure that our wire stays tight and we continue to move in the same direction every time. Once we get to the other end, we'll bind all of our ends together, cut off any excess stems, and then take our small end and go back to the beginning and find our loop and go through that loop with that end. That completes our circle. Wrap the end with any excess bind wire. I always like to use an anti-transpirant when I'm finished. This is a product that helps seal in the moisture, and it will make our flowers last as long as possible. I'd advise putting this in a refrigerator until it's time to wear it.